Yeah, Dave Hamble, from Sawtell, up near Coffs Harbour, and transport allocator for a local earth moving mob up there, and this is my girl, 77, K125, VT903, 15-speed 44s, and bought it from a bloke down in Victoria, and slowly doing her up. She was been under a tree for about 12 years and covered in green slime, and just been picking away at a little bit at a time. It was 40-year-old, 2017, and October, which was the month it was built, October 77, and originally one of Intermobile's in Victoria, and one of 9 they ordered at the same time. This one's about halfway through the batch. First run with the big headlights. It was eventually one of another mob, Austrians in Victoria apparently. Yeah, it still had the name on the door when I got it. Yeah. We've repainted the chassis and the cab's still there, colours, and I sanded it all back, colour cut it all, and just because I couldn't afford to paint it. Done the bull bar and the chassis and that, but yeah. Yeah, it is, historic, Rego obviously, and just bought it. My dad used to run trucks, and that's why I bought it. For kids of Kenworth, he bought 2 Kenworths, 73 and 4, and ran in the fleet, and they were really good trucks, and he loved them, and he always was a Kenworth man, and so eventually I'll probably paint it in his colours, which were green and white, but anyway, I just thought I'd throw a coat of paint on the chassis and make it, because it was work in progress, but it sort of worked out a bit better than I thought originally, so.
So who was your dad?
Glenn Hamble from Glenn's Refrigerated Transport, Murray Bridge, South Australia. He ran across to Perth, out of Melbourne and Sydney, at a depot in Perth in the day, late 60s, 70s. After my mum died, he wound the company down, and he was doing the triangle actually, Adelaide, Brisbane, Wollongong back to Adelaide, and he ended up loading bananas out of Coffs Harbour, or Maxwell, over to Perth. That's how we come to move up here. He moved us up here, and he was doing that for a fair while until just after the blockade, when the fuel prices went up, and he decided to just work local, and eventually got into earth moving. But yeah, long time ago, passed away now. I'd like to do all the inside of it and obviously repaint it, but everyone's talking me out of it because they like the way it is, it looks just a bit more historic. And I've seen a few of them that have been done, and then, they sort of lose their character, and so I'm sort of, I mean, I'll redo the grille and a few other bits and pieces. I've done all the exhaust and done, the motor and tidied it up and that, and it's probably getting to the stage that if not too much more to do really without, doing the cab and that. Still on torsion bar suspension, obviously, which people don't really admire, well, have bad memories of, depending on your point of view. This one's not too bad. We run low tyre pressures, new shocks, and I've adjusted the bars down a little bit so that it rides a little bit better. But still got the Garrison power steering, that RAM assisted power steering, and she's very, very original, So, like I said, I haven't had to do much to it in that respect. The motor was rebuilt a long time ago, and she runs sweet as. We just did the cooling system when I got it, thermostats and water pump and that. So, and all new brakes, so she's good to go anywhere, but so she'll be in the family for a long time, I'd say.